Well, I've visited most of our markets now. I've met with governments, I've met with the unions, I've talked to our people, I've met with our customers. And fundamentally, we've got a very good business. We've got strong market positions in both mobile and fixed line. And unlike our competitors, we've got both networks, fixed and mobile. And we're usually up against a mobile-only player or a fixed network-only player. So we should have an advantage there. But in reality, there are things that we've got to do still to improve our performance. Our cost base is still higher than our competitors, and our customer service is something that really we're going to have to improve because networks are still a little bit unreliable. We're going to have to invest and improve the networks, and that should mean that our customer service will improve at the same time. And that's going to be the secret to really getting some growth behind the business again. So my impressions are we've got a good business, but there's a long way to go still before we're really running at full potential. I think the performance in 13-14 I would describe as pretty decent actually. We generated $608 million of profit, which is up 5%, and in the past we've seen declining profits, so we've reversed that trend, and actually our net profit after tax and after interest was up 45%. So I'd say a decent set of results. We've got the team in place now, we've got focus because we've been disposing of assets in Macau and the islands and recently Monaco, so we're really focused on the Caribbean, Panama with a new team based in Miami, and I think we're well placed for growth in 2014-15. Well, our new strategic plan is focused on delivering top-line growth. This is a business that has not grown its top line now for a number of years. And we've got to invest to drive that top-line growth. And what we're calling Project Marlin is an uplift of investment of around 30% from what we've traditionally spent. That money is going to be focused on 4 areas. One is improving our mobile networks so they are the fastest and can carry the most data for our customers. Secondly, under fixed mobile convergence, making sure our fixed networks and our mobile networks work seamlessly together for the benefit of our customers. That means more Wi-Fi offload, it means more interrogation of the system so that we know exactly what customers are doing on both fixed and mobile networks. The third element is making sure that we have the infrastructure to support our government and big business contracts, and that means more investments there. And then the fourth thing is making sure that our TV offer and our broadband speeds are absolutely competitive. It means more fibre in the ground, faster speeds for our customers and better quality TV products. We put all that together, that's the key to growing this business. I think the key features of executing the strategic plan are going to be, firstly, focusing on our stakeholders. We've been in a lot of our islands now for nearly 100 years, so we should have really good government relations, relations with the regulator, relations with the unions. In some markets we haven't got quite the influence that I'd like us to have, so we're really going to put some real effort into building government relations, union relations and regulator relations. I think that's going to open up opportunities for us. And the second element is the way we work. Now we're developing what we call the CWC way, and this is a sort of framework for encouraging best practice, making sure that each of our businesses follow the strategy of the group, and that we only do things once where it makes sense to do it once rather than reinventing the wheel in each of the markets. And I think that's going to be a new way of working, much more collaborative, providing support from the Miami hub, and actually I think it'll make our business far more effective. I think the other element is what I would describe as culture and values. I think each market operates slightly differently, and we want the cable and wireless values, the cable and wireless culture, which will be a culture that is empowered, a culture that is built on trust, a culture that is built on investing in our people to get the very best out of our people every day. And so that's something that everyone's going to hear a lot more about this summer. Cost efficiency is always going to be important in any business. We set a target of $100 million of savings, and we're about $77 million of the way through. Now I know that's meant some quite difficult decisions about outsourcing, about restructuring, but we've made good progress. But we can never stop looking at efficiency in our business, because our cost base is still higher than our competitors. And we're looking at areas, what we call back office processes. We're looking at how our billing system works, how our customers do business with us, and seeing if we can automate and make far more efficient some of the processes that we have as well. So we're going to carry on looking at future cost savings. My ambition for CWC in 3 years' time is that we're absolutely number one for customer service. That means we'll be getting top-line growth. It means that our mobile data will be growing faster than our decline in mobile voice. It means that our TV and broadband will be offsetting declines in fixed voice. And it means that our B2B business will be growing as well. If we can get that top-line growth, then I'm certain we'll get growth in profits that actually will look very attractive indeed for both investors and for our employees, because we'll have more customers taking more of our products and be more satisfied with the services that Cable & Wireless are providing.